Daily English, day 11. So if you're watching this video, please know that there is a PDF file available with gap fill exercises and different activities. It's available from eflsongs.com. It's free. Just click, download. You're welcome to use it. Word bank. Also, after, way, many, must, look, before, great. A-B conversation. Listen to the conversation, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. Have you seen the new library? Yes, I visited it last week. It's great. I heard they also added a study area upstairs. That's right. Many students go there after class. We must check it out before the next exam. Good idea. I'll look for a quiet spot. That way we can really focus. Sounds perfect. Let's go tomorrow. Listening script 1. Listen to the short story, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. Before school started, I cleaned my desk. There were many papers to sort and books to stack. I must stay organised this term. After lunch, I plan to look over my schedule again. It's a great feeling to be ready for the year. Okay, listening script 2, comprehension. So listen and answer the comprehension questions. This week we learned about different ways to solve problems. Some people talk through ideas, others draw pictures. Many of us also work better after a short break. Our teacher said that great thinkers try more than one way. We must stay open-minded when solving things together. Comprehension questions. 1. What topic did the students learn about? 2. What methods help people solve problems? 3. When do students work better? 4. What do great thinkers often do? 5. What advice did the teacher give? Also, if you like this kind of video, if you go to my channel on YouTube, my YouTube channel, you'll find a playlist called Daily English. So the Daily English playlist has videos like this one. You know, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 100, you know, it's going to be lots. Okay? All right.